With unwavering dedication, I take this oath in the spirit of unity, respect, and excellence. For the glory of the WFPTL and the pride of the Filipino people. So help me God.
Thank you so much. That was Ms. Liza Calvera Dean.
May we now request all the teams to please proceed to your respective seats.
Ayan, nakita nyo, excited din yung mga kababaihan natin sa paglalaro ng basketball, makapaglaro